Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And tonight we're making bourbon blackberry chicken. And I'll have Farron put this in one of our cards. And what we're going to do is make the sauce first. So it's a half a cup of blackberry jam. Okay. A quarter cup of water. And we're using this type of bourbon, but you can use any bourbon you want. And it's 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to do one for good measure. Of balsamic vinegar. A tablespoon of olive oil. A teaspoon of Dijon mustard. A teaspoon of minced garlic. We're just going to a couple little shakes of the salt shaker. And about a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And we're going to mix this up. Okay guys, next we're going to take our chicken pieces and I have these nice full-size breasts. But what I'm thinking about doing is cutting them in half because they're pretty thick. So I'm going to bring you back after I get them cut and then we'll go to the next step. Okay guys, I butterflied my chicken breast and I'm just going to put some oil in my pan and we're going to heat this up. And we're going to do it like on a medium. And what we're going to do, we're going to cook both sides of the chicken breast for 6 to 7 minutes each. But before we put it in the pan, I have paprika, salt, and some black pepper. And we're just going to coat each side of the chicken. Okay. Just like this. And we're going to put it in our pan. And we'll cook it for 6 minutes on one side and flip it in 6 minutes on the next. And I'll bring you back on the next step. Okay guys, I've cooked up all the chicken. So our next step is we're going to use a cup of blackberries. And I'm using Marionberries. And we're going to just warm those up. I have like a half a cup reserved for cooking, after cooking. So we're going to get these going a little bit. And you just use the same pot. Okay guys, so next, remember we started making the glaze. So Now we're going to add this in, and we're going to heat this up with the blackberries, or the Marionberries. Get this all nice and warm, and then we're going to add the chicken back in and rewarm them up for a couple minutes. Guys, we're going to replace some of the chicken back in the pan. And we're just going to let these heat up, okay? That's all we're doing. And I'm going to spoon the juices over them. More or less like getting them to marinate a little bit. These smell great. Okay guys, I'm going to turn these off, and I'm going to plate one up for you. Okay guys, I'm going to put a little bit of the sauce over, and then I'm going to dress it up with some of the blackberries that we have to the side. Okay guys, this is our blackberry bourbon chicken. Sounds pretty good. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Love you guys. Bye for now.